like a stage. It's amazing. Wow.
Well, they didn't think that was, for the most part, it's invited, like, oh, wait, sure, yeah, enjoy it.
I know that used to be really how we did stuff. I'm really trying to figure that out today. Yeah, that's true. Like, shop. You guys do that on research. That's pretty helpful. Yeah. Are there any?
Yeah, those two. So that was like version of it, and it's right by the Delaware water gap where there are lots of quarries. So like down the street and like see which rocks smoke to them. But it's hard. The easiest way to keep it chill, you know.
that was like, oh, so we were like, sorry, but so I was like, no, you can't find anything out there that's edible. Like, yeah, you don't know what. You know, so it's okay. It's another.
Very nice. Yeah. But what if you built like a bed for it?
It's better. Yeah.
Oh wow. But like
It's like kind of as like older pieces, and it felt like it was like they felt made.
It doesn't look. Here we go. Oh, coming down now. Okay.
Here.
At some point in time, it was used
Okay.
for a bed, you know? Yeah, it's like a protest house
Very cool.
to house people while they were protesting. On the roof, there's a solar garden.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
which is not used now, but when it was, you know, when it was in its place, it was used.
Fascinating.
People from all over the world, all over the country to come here and to explore and be, you know, expressive. Yeah, it's really good.
It's really good.
And so they have like in-house, you know, artists, and then they have just the accumulation of like art. It just creates a really great creative environment, you know.
It's fascinating.
It's hidden too from the
Yeah.
outside. You can't really tell what's
Yeah.
going on
Yeah.
inside.
great.
Like, you know, this real
a little
gem.
industrial secret.
Cool. This reminds me of a bird house somewhere in there's an Alvarado out on the island
Oh wow.
where they built a room outside it. So if you look at it from one side,
Like last night, I was able to experience it for the first time at night.
Yeah, we have a whole lights.
yeah.
The whole
I don't
thing
like
is
think.
lights.
Yeah,
So you
because we were
can
here in the
see-
daytime all the time.
Yeah.
You know, we were.
Yeah.
You can see some of the lights on the side here in the shade. Mirrored effect because we have plexi on plexi. So inside it reflects it. So it's like this sacred geometry that
Oh,
continues
wow.
on.
And then we also like poly finished the floor, so at night there's like this ultra like reflection that's happening.
Of the
Like,
triangle?
it's just glowing the entire
but
time.
it will be so much more amazing when I
You gotta come to one of the dance parties.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I was able to experience it at night because we work in the daytime here all the time, and we're able to like hear everything else. But at night, I feel like everything gets a little silent. Like even though there's people out dancing and people like out enjoying music, and I was able to go inside of our A-frame at night while there was music playing, and it was like I was not here. You know, it was like this experience of
Yeah.
like the echoing conversation inside of the building, and you can hear like the white noise now became the people outside, as to where in the daytime we almost hyper focus on
Yes.
the noise.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
great perspective.
It's,
Yeah, we have a day and a night. And
Yeah.
And the so we did a little animation to go with the bear's britches. So that's so we did the bears coming out of hibernation, like we are coming out of hibernation. Everybody, you too. So
yeah, right. As we're
we.
Everybody.
Ultimately, we wanted this mother bear and her cubs to represent that, and she's holding the sun, and so it starts with the day, the sunrise, and so the sunrise was about the possibilities of the day, but when it sets, it's about the possibilities of tomorrow.
Okay.
And so we have the sunset, and we wanted to kind of highlight all the changes that are happening and like all the incredible possibilities for tomorrow. Like what can we do today to make tomorrow a better place? And so we did a little animation, with little claymation to go with that, and we did the
Cool.
soundtrack with the gongs. and
Oh
stuff.
wow.
Mm.
Very
Yeah.
cool. Very cool.
So we have a little QR code that you can
Oh, yeah.
look over,
Oh, love
and it'll
to.
connect you to it.
Yeah.
But it's just a fun little piece to bring it to life.
Yeah.
You know.
So poetry, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's really good.
Plant-based poetry.
Plant-based poetry.
Yeah, is my medium.
Excellent.
Thank you so much.